everybody. So for this makeup tutorial, I used my I'm not gonna say just yet. Stay tuned to the end. Oh god, you're seeing the palette right there. Intro fail. But stay tuned to the end of the video to find out everything I use on my face that I probably that you were probably uncertain of, that you didn't recognize when I was holding it up in the video. Stay tuned to the end of the video for that to see what lashes I'm wearing, what I use for my glitter, stuff like that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. The makeup tutorial is very, very colorful. It's very bam in your face. And if you guys are guessing, yes, I do go out like this. I mean, why would I not? It's fly. But yeah, so this is it for this introduction. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Hi, how you doing? Hope you like it. I hope you like it over here, because I love it over here. It's just like thebomb.com, pretty much. Yeah, so that's it for this introduction. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Following program is rated G for God.
Run come to me if you tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue your soul. So run come to me, and I won't leave you alone. Listen. Me love you like cook food. You want me in and you like good food. Me want you in and me like good mood. Walking on me just like good shoes. Moving on me tune, earth on me footstool. Around your neck Lucifer put noose. And say your goose book but the good news. I came running when Lucifer took you. And me take your hands on your foot loose. Me check for you, me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. Me check for you, me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make you can't stop smile. Like with the foreign and a tax time. All in the situation a flat line. Ask Lazarus him we tell you that I'm 4 days late but me still on time. When your life chaka like ox tie. Me still love you long time. That's right, and I game so that you might have life. Me check for you, me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. Me check for you, me check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. Me check for you, me check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. Like cook food. You want me in and you like good food. Me want you in and me like good mood. Walking on me just like good shoes. Even on me tune, earth on me footstool. Around your neck Lucifer put noose. And say your goose cook but the good news. I came running when Lucifer took you. We set your hands and your foot loose. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a run come to me, run come to me. If you tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue your soul. So run come to me, run come to me. If you tired and want find rest for your soul. Lucifer want try take away your soul. If you just ask, I'll rescue you. You will make you can't stop smile. Like in the foreign and a tax time. All in the situation a flat line. Ask Lazarus him we tell you that I'm 4 days late but me still on time. When your life chaka like ox tie. Me still love you long time. That's right, and I game so that you might have life. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. We check for you, we check for you. Run come to me like say me have a check for you. We check for you, we check for you. If you coulda see the mansion me a make for you. An abusive relationship should never be tolerated, whether physical, verbal, or psychological. I'm not the most handsome, but I'm far from ugly. Won't put myself through no stress just to call someone honey. Cause I know someone loves me, yeah. God loves me. And if nobody else wanna take the job, I know that my mom loves me. So singleness not gonna bring me stress, cause I know that I'm simply blessed. I'm just trying to kick some knowledge to the single ladies and all the single men. Even when I'm desperate, nobody will ever suspect. Don't settle for less than you deserve. Take off my stress just to please her. Cause I won't let no lady get me down. Won't let no lady make me frown. I'm a child of the king, which means I'm a prince. Won't let no lady take my crown. Won't let no lady move in my house and then come get me out. I'm worth much more than that. So much more than that. Better to stay on the house top than inside the house of one nagging wife. Was love at first sight, but she never stop until she rubbing blind. Them say love is blind. Maybe that's why he saw her as his bona fide, even though she saw the guy why he should never marry her. He ignored the signs. Sorry, simply propose. I love you, she's not saying anymore. She used one minor argument as excuse to create one major divorce. No, he's living single like the sitcom. His biggest fear, never show off but he's in disgrace. All of this so far pretty face. Won't let no lady get me down. Won't let no lady make me frown. I'm a child of the king, which means I'm a prince. Won't let no lady take my crown. Won't let no lady move in my house and then come get me out. I'm worth much more than that. So much more than that. Yeah, yes. Let me say this. You work more than the Benz Mercedes. If it wasn't for you, me wouldn't exist. I wouldn't get kids and the babies. Made in the image of the Most High, so you're supposed to know you are royalty. Son of boy can't disrespect you and expect you to remain loyal to him. Move on. If you really rate yourself, clear your head, alleviate the stress. Tell any man who not like you for you, say if him not appreciate you. And don't fool yourself, a bad boyfriend can't become a good husband. Unless him want become a good husband, it's best if you go and go look a good husband. Hold on, me not done, let me talk about something else will break my heart. Some man and a pastor but lovely and so me pray one of them wouldn't date my daughter. Just wait till you meet the right one. No, you're a queen and treat you like one. Now go beat you like a thief, now go treat you like a creep. I don't know where they got it from, but they got it wrong. To think that it's love, them say love hurts, but you won't hit a girl if you really love her. Yes, all my sisters and my queens out there, you need to realize that you are. And if he can't realize that, then you gotta leave. So don't let nobody get you down. Don't let nobody make you frown. Princes and princesses of the Most High, let nobody take your crown. If you're moving on somebody's house, don't give them the right to stress you out. You're worth much more than that. So much more than that. Yes. No, I don't know about you, but when I was single, I was stress-free. And I want to be stress-free married. So fellas and ladies, if you're feeling the way I'm feeling, I want you to repeat this sincerely like you mean it. Before me make someone come in on my life with a bag of stress and left some in on my life, me rather stay by myself, cause I can't get that way by myself. Before me make someone come in on my life with a bag of stress and left some in on my life, me rather stay by myself, cause I can't get that way by myself. By myself. By myself. By myself. By myself. By myself. By myself.
God bless the boy DJ. I mean, I say it's all about long suffering. No? You what? Have faith and wait. Hear me now? Want me say Christmas come but only once a year. But DJ I wait from the 25th. Or you what? For me know say me have life. Me know say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me night, and the boss go fire me, that can't be right. The landlord want fear rent by tonight. Me want food for bite, and me not even have money, can't afford for bite. God knows me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food, nothing at the house. Baby a ball, and me can't tell the separation. So work and say me I go try it, but me I feel the youths them a put up a fight. Bad minded just forget to overhype. Ya know sometimes me feel like we just go soft, we broke a fight. God knows say me just a hold on, even though me they have from all long. Me know see you dead the land and you don't gone, so me now get vexed and I stand up a fool on me. I wait for me breakthrough, wait for me breakthrough. Me I wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me I stay true. Me I wait for me breakthrough, wait for me breakthrough. Me I wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy I try stop me my breakthrough. Life hard and ain't no soft, but the Lord am I rather than me staff. Weeping may know for the whole lot tonight, but tomorrow morning me know me I go laugh and you are none. Even though Lord you know I wanna bust, no me now go feel shame for drive on a bus. And even if me dead spiritually me I go wait cause me I go rise like Lazarus. Till the man Jesus alone I man a trust. Me and the Lord go way back like rhinoceros. Me man a tell me if me want good me knows have to run. And me really now go make my mother go. So me just a wait. Me want to look on every gate and even the him garments I wanna touch. So me now worry, no in a no hurry. Me now want like calm and a rush. Me a wait for me breakthrough, wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough, wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Devil is a liar. Oh, so we both are fire. Are we praise the Messiah? Oh, you wanna know? Satan no pump and a pet up. And him say do you must know is a set up. He will tell you about sun and shine when a rain a fall and he make you get better. Make you work, gamble and bet up. Lose all the money and a gun you go take up. Make police come lock you behind bars. In a prison you shut up. Sorry story no something me a make up. Can't sit down for the Lord me a fi get up. And I'm a doctor for me just man. So me no visit doctor me no check up. By you Jesus if you take up. If you don't have the Lord your life wreck up. And even if you left Jesus Christ right now, come back right now and go make up. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, no, oh, oh, oh. Hey, devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, no, oh, oh, oh. If you never get your water, no drink it. If him coming on your thoughts, don't think it. Him want your life dark like a tinted. And him see your ship and him want sink it. So send up your praise eye like a blimp it. Open your eyes and don't blink it. I send up all of the praise to the Most High, cause him higher than every other god. And when him sit, him love sweet like a drink sit. Connect to the Lord like a link sit. I straight fire me a bun pan the devil. When the song I done, me I go give fire links in. Oh, your riches in heaven like a brick sit. Try stand up on the throne where the king sit. Make sure you have a clean and pure heart. Like say you wash on your rings. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, 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 no. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, 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 no. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, no, oh, oh, oh. Devil you know fi follow. You know fi wallow. No, no. How you wanna know? Satan no pump and a pet up.
So as you saw in the video, I used my Naked 3 palette to do this look. I really hope you guys like this. Oh, man is barking, of course. For the blush, I used Cinnamon Spice number 39, and this is by Jordana, and this is the color of it. And what else did I use? Oh, I used my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, my MAC Double Definition, and I used it for my glow that you're seeing there, my little glowy glowy glow. And for my lips, I'm wearing 3 things. I'm wearing Wet n Wild's Just Peachy, and I'm wearing NYX's Vanilla Cream Pie, and this is their Butter Gloss, and I'm wearing this Vanilla Cream Pie, and just peachy. And I bought these two, I forgot to show you guys, for my birthday from Significant Details, along with some other Wet n Wild lipsticks and some other NYX Butter Gloss. And to line my lips, I am wearing Miss Kaliji's 208 lip liner. For my lashes, I'm wearing Cherry Blossom in number 62. You can't see them because they're on my eyes, but they're in number 62. For my glitter, I am wearing 4 things for my glitter. I'm wearing this Go Glitter liquid liner, and I placed this Go Glitter blue glitter over it. So this served as like my glue that I would use to kind of hold the glue the glitter down. So instead of using glue, I just use this. And I'm also wearing True Glitz glitter mascara, and it's just a purple mascara, believe it or not. And I'm using my Go Glitter, my purple gold glitter. Yeah, so that's basically it for everything that I used. Really hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you want to see more, or if you have any requests for this Christmas or for this season, just let me know and I'll be sure to get that out there. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you liked it, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye guys.